y'all. I'm going to, well, I would call it an unboxing, but really it's a reveal by now. I have done this video a couple of times now. My camera is fighting me with trying to focus, so I've had to put it on manual focus. So sometimes you may see my mouse kind of fly over to the side to go over here to where the focus bar is. I'm sorry. But I do want to share this one with you. This is a Diamond Art Club, and it is a tiny, it is a T90, as we would say. It is a T90. And it is Oreo. And Oreo, let me get over here and focus. There we go. Oreo is round drills. It is a 17 by 17 centimeters, so it is super small. But look at that face. Look at that face. She is adorable. All right, so let me get this back down to where it was. And now let's look at it. Like I said, I've already opened her up, so you're going to see this looking a little different than what you would see. Because I've already thrown away the wasteful piece of paper that tells me the 9 steps of diamond painting, which are on the back of the box. All right. So, she is adorable. And I love this face. Look at the patchwork of color. She is precious with those green eyes. She is round, like it says. She has 20 colors. And that's mainly in the face. Mainly in her body. She's adorable. I could whip this one out in probably a day and a half. I like these little ones to do in between larger ones. She would fit nicely in an 8 by 8 frame too. Just saying. So there you go. Of course, you've got the nice, beautiful shimmer. Love how that shimmers. It is sticky. So, she's so cute. As you can see, there's very little black in her. Lots of green. And this green is 701. So, let's get into these beads. Now, she does come with the schematic strip, which is wonderful. I wish they would put the schematic strip in every single kit. Every single kit should have this strip. I usually fold the top part back when I box them up. But it has the strip so that you can run it through your Xyron. Put it on your Tic Tac containers or your little round little tube containers, whichever you have. Alright, so let's move her out of the way. Let's get this Oreo out the way. So we have green and green, dark green and regular green. And there's a little visitor. We have a visitor. Then there is like some sand color. A very hot pink, kind of magenta, I guess. Beautiful purple. There's a hot pink. There is a coral. A blue. Kind of like a burnt kind of sand color. There is a beige. Here is your baby blue. That is a beautiful blue. And that, oh, they just sparkle so well. That's AB. Wait a minute now, hold up. That is an AB. That is 137. 137. Now, see, I'm used to these being listed at the top, and that starts with 310. 137 is down here. Oh my goodness. Oh my. It's between 820 and 3607. It is color number 14. And this does not say that it has an AB in it. Now, ain't that something? I just saw this, guys. I just saw this. Wow. It has ABs. Okay, so I'm thinking that what they did is when they did all of the beautiful, colorful ABs, they took a color out of here and they added in this one, and they haven't gotten around to changing it on the box. And because of the schematic being in there, they just took out whatever color this was. Maybe it was 821 or somewhere in there. And they just stuck it in right there. That is, oh, we're gonna go look for that color in a minute. And then there's like a burnt orange and another blue-ish, kind of like a blue, purple, what would that, indigo, with a visitor. And then a hot pink and a teal and a dark blue, and here's the black. Very little black. Then there's an offish white and all of the green. All the green. This is the background color right here, folks. That's the background. Let's go look for this. I'm excited. What? All right, number 14. We're going to look for 14. We're going to look at the symbol. Look, I can't even get my bag situated straight, right? Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm excited. We have ABs, and I didn't even know there were ABs. Okay. It looks like the symbol for radiation. Here it is. Okay, so it's sprinkled around. Let's get you down into this. See how nice and clear those symbols are once let me clear this up. There we go. Now you can see them. So it's here and some there, and there's a little over here. There's one in the eye to make the eye twinkle. Some over here in the side of the face. And there's a little bit down here. Okay. So yes, clear symbols. Nice, clear, pretty symbols. Now I have to... This is easier manually focusing it, folks, than trying to automatic focus, because it just goes in and out and in and out and in and out. It makes me seasick. She's beautiful. She looks like she's kind of patchwork a little. Yeah. Cannot stand it. She is too stinking cute. Okay. So we're going to pack her away. And now you know, Oreo. I don't know if it says it now on the website, but I know that this box doesn't say it. But now you know Oreo has ABs in it. Oreo would be awesome for a beginner. Okay. So I hope that you have enjoyed this unboxing of... Is the kit? Yeah, the kit's down in there. I have to double check. Of Oreo. Little Miss Oreo is precious. And there you go. Hey, I learned something new today. This one has AB in it. Yay. At least one color. They're beautiful. And I like ABs to be accents. I don't think I could do a whole canvas that was nothing but AB. I think that would just kill me. My eyes would just be like, oh. So there it is. There's Oreo. She is adorable. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And until next time, bye y'all.